Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Russia built skyscrapers. We'll explore the motivations behind these towering structures, from their initial symbolic purposes to their modern economic drivers. You'll learn about the historical context that spurred their construction and how they evolved to meet contemporary urban needs. We'll cover both the iconic early buildings and the impressive new business districts, understanding the diverse reasons for their existence. During the mid-20th century, Joseph Stalin commissioned the iconic Seven Sisters in Moscow. These grand skyscrapers were a powerful statement, designed to demonstrate the Soviet Union's strength and ambition following the Second World War. Stalin wanted Moscow to compete with Western capitals, which he felt lacked impressive tall buildings. Beyond their symbolic value, these structures served practical purposes, housing key government functions and elite residences. In the post-Soviet era, Russia's skyscraper construction shifted towards economic and urban development. Projects like Moscow City were conceived to create a major international business hub, attracting investment and talent. With land prices in Moscow among the highest globally, building upwards became a practical solution for maximizing space. These modern towers offer state-of-the-art offices and apartments, catering to a growing urban population and reflecting Russia's contemporary economic aspirations. Today, Russia's skyscrapers, from the historic Seven Sisters to the modern Moscow City, continue to embody national pride and a forward-looking vision. They serve as powerful symbols of economic strength and architectural innovation, attracting both businesses and tourists. These impressive structures are a testament to Russia's ambition to maintain its place on the global stage. Be sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other deals. Future developments promise even more towering additions to the skylines of major Russian cities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.